Hey guys, welcome to Low RC. Tonight we're out here at the shed at Crawler County and we've got a little unboxing to do. Wyatt and Liz are going to do the honors.
Oh, it's a jumping spider.
We got a spider on the box already. But Fair RC reached out again to us and asked us if we do a review on one of their new products, and Liz is sidetracked here by trying to get a little pet here. Let's see if we can get a little closer.
I don't want him to go underneath it. There we go.
No spiders under the box. Can I show them? You gotta name them real quick.
I'm not gonna name it.
Jumpy. All right.
I didn't want to squash him. Where'd he go?
Now that Jumpy is safe, we'll go back to the unboxing. So this is gonna be the Fair RC mystery box of the FCX18 K10. And we're really excited to see what's in this thing. I think this one costs $179, but the value of the truck that you get in the box is anywhere from, I think, about $200 to almost $250. So it's a good value no matter what you get. There's a couple different versions, a flatbed, a step side, and I think the blue version, and possibly an unreleased version that nobody's ever seen. So
We might get that.
yeah, we could. This is going to be a surprise for us.
What color is that? Let's pray.
I have no idea what color this one is. Oh, it's the white flatbed. All right, that's pretty cool.
What is that? Is that the unreleased?
No, this is not the unreleased. This one is out there, but this one is really cool. And we're going to pull it out of the box here.
That's
Yeah,
pretty neat.
I think this one's awesome because it's kind of, I think it comes with like a brush guard and some other things on it. And then it's also got the Batrazi metal bead locks and tires. Looks really good. Awesome looking truck. What we got? Oh, we got some gear that goes on. Look at that.
What happened here? They changed this to be this kind of bed.
Yeah,
It didn't have this.
they made their own 3D printed bed. They repainted it, put some bead locks and tires on it.
So
That
it
is,
used to have a K10 bed.
yeah,
This is a K10.
that is a K10.
Here's a brush
nice.
guard.
We got the brush guard. Look at that. It comes with like a soft, like a fake little backpack thing and some cargo.
It's not fake. It's a real backpack.
Yeah, I know. It's like soft, just like a real one.
Straps.
It's an actual backpack.
Tie down straps.
Extra.
Oh, we got an extra wheel and tire too
wheel.
with a brass ring. So
Look
I'd
at that.
imagine that goes back here on the bed somewhere. But this FCX18 is, I think this is a brushed version.
It's an 18 scale.
Yep.
I wonder why it looks so small.
Yep. It's got a 2-speed transmission,
Cute.
lights. So we're going to get it all put together here real quick. And
What else do we have that's 18 scale?
we got TRX4Ms.
Oh yeah. This
We
one's
got
bigger
Red
than
Cat.
that.
It does look bigger than the TRX4M for sure.
I wonder if this would do good
This
at
is-
crawler pool.
Yeah, quite. I bet it'd run the other trucks over. This is a big 18
You hear that,
scale.
Wyatt?
This is a lot bigger than the LC80 too. So I'll have to do a future video of these side by side. But that is a very long truck.
It is soft. Squishy backpack. You just
But-
stuff it up here.
We're gonna
Velcro on it.
load this thing up real quick. Take it out to the course.
The doors don't open.
Hood open.
Oh, the hood opens. Oh, look in there.
So you put your
Oh.
battery in it. You gotta take these screws out.
No. Okay. I don't know if you have to drill a hole or not.
Thing to hold the gas can.
Yeah.
Maybe up here,
Well,
possibly.
there's screws that are for it.
Oh, okay. I bet you're just supposed to screw it
Two
onto
offset screw holes.
Really neat miniature bungee cords.
That works.
Yeah. Now, where is the gas can gonna go? These mosquitoes are ridiculous.
Yeah.
Okay, I say we get out of here. Oh,
Right there.
oh, got a
the.
mosquito
I
up
think
there.
that's good.
Did he get you? Or did I save you?
And here we are out on the course, and I think Wyatt has figured out what the 2-speed and the light functions are. It will cycle through. Here, cycle the lights, Wyatt.
Okay.
Off.
Oof.
All right, go to low beams.
You gotta kind of hold it.
Okay, low beams. It's high beams, and then I think it's got high beams with flashers. There we go. No turn signals. But Wyatt's going to drive it around the course here, see how well this thing performs. Oh, it does have taillights?
It's running fast.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Mosquitoes.
Yeah, we got lots of mosquitoes out here at the course
And
tonight.
just having everybody stand still.
That's right. Let's get a move on.
Okay. Mr. Miyagi back here.
We got the
Grab mosquitoes.
bed all cargoed up on this thing. Looks really cool. Here's the high speed. It seems like it drives pretty smooth.
Yeah.
It's got like a nice little soft bounce to it. All right, here we are. First time trying to conquer an obstacle. We'll see what it has here. Yeah, we definitely got a lot of weight on that bed, so.
Maybe try to go up this way.
Oh yeah, maybe.
He's got it.
Yeah. Well, Wyatt's a good driver. He knows what he's doing here, I think.
Yes, he is. Yeah, mosquitoes all over.
Oh, there goes the gas can and the truck down the hill. First scratch on this new truck. But it's white, so it shouldn't make that much of a difference, right? Liz is worried about all these mosquitoes that are on me. Yeah. You guys haven't even been out here to the course to see some of this newer stuff.
There's a back above our head.
Well, that's good. That means they're eating the mosquitoes.
Yeah, he comes down here and bites.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. The truck looks nice though.
It does.
Oh, see.
It's definitely top heavy with all that cargo on it.
Stuff.
Oh, that was easy that way. Probably be able to see the mosquitoes flying across the front of the camera here.
What's this? A new spot.
Yeah, you haven't seen this?
No,
Oh my gosh.
that looks really nice.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's even
see,
got a little tunnel here.
you used all my stuff.
Yeah.
Are you looking for mosquitoes on me?
Oh, what was that?
Who's not paying attention?
He drove right off the edge. So come around, go back there, and come through that tunnel. I want to get a picture of that.
What is this? Oh, there goes the gas can.
Okay, we'll pick up the gas can. But let's see if we can see the K10 here. Oh, there it comes.
Oh, God, mosquitoes.
Through the pipe.
Definitely not coming out here in the evening again.
Yeah.
It's gone.
I really like this thing. This is really cool. I can't get over how big it is, how much bigger it is for a 18th scale.
Hey, my house is living.
Yep, it's doing good.
It's doing great.
Okay.
I could put that one little tree I got in the hole.
Alright, we gotta go check out Liz's flower.
You could drop that tropical tree behind it.
Yeah, that might be good. Oh,
Yeah, it'll be cute.
stuck on a root. You did get stuck on a root somehow. Alright, got the 2-speed engaged, but you still can't get off of it.
I killed a mosquito.
Oh my gosh.
It was
Wish I
stuck
was
in
filming
your
that.
head, blood.
Head blood.
It's all,
Blood on my hat.
well, hopefully it didn't suck any blood yet. If I see a mosquito in here, I'm smacking it.
Oh
It's
my.
rare. Oh,
Oh, and there's Liz's hosta blooming in the middle of our obstacle here.
beautiful.
This is new here too.
Yeah, this is all new. Hey, Zoe. Oh, gosh. Be ready for mosquitoes.
I think this
I
one,
just smack Wyatt in the head.
yeah, I think that one
Oh,
might be a little big for this truck.
Oh God, they're biting everywhere. Oh, terrible.
Can we get across the bridge? All right, we're gonna try to get across Goose Hill Bridge here. And then I think we might call it quits because these mosquitoes are horrible tonight. But this thing is definitely awesome. Another good one from Fair RC. I'd be willing to bet this might be our best performing FCX18 or 18th scale in general, but we'll take the do some more testing, take the cargo off and actually put it against a couple other 18th scales and see what it can do. But let's roll it here again. This thing is really long wheelbase, so it's still on there.
There's not really much I can do from right
No, might be able to make it through there. I don't know.
here. Didn't really have much
Maybe you should go down.
over anything.
Maybe you should go down the other way behind you. Can you back it up? There you go. Wife's gonna get it turned around. Definitely hung up on the bumper there. All right, turn to the left a little bit, go straight. All right, there you go. Now come back. Oh, you're gonna come around this way. Okay. Go back underneath the bridge here. And here it comes. And I think we'll call it quits here. Right in front of the cabin. This thing's awesome. Make sure to check out Fair RC.
Nice, really nice.
Yeah,
You
we'll.
like it?
Yeah.
It's really bigger than the TRX. Did you do a comparison?
No, but we'll do that in the
Oh,
future.
He just had it beside it, and that is tons bigger.
Future video. It is a
lot
big
bigger.
18th scale, but we'll have a link in the description to this truck and check out the
Okay.
mystery boxes. Thank you again, Fair RC,
Thank
for letting
you.
us check this out.
And
We
thanks,
will-
Wyatt, for driving.
Be using this a lot and a lot more videos to come. So if you like this sort of content,
Hey,
please
you've got your
subscribe.
hazards on.
And thanks for watching.